Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing these Oral-B cross-action toothbrush head replacements, and I did want to show you because I've been using the floss action, and I wanted to show you the difference. So this is the floss action head, and this is the cross action head. So you can see the difference between them. This one's round, this one's more elongated. And now I did look up the differences, and it says this one cleans between the teeth, deep cleans between the teeth. Well, so does this one because this is the floss action one. So I would say they probably are working similarly. I haven't noticed a big difference in terms of that, except this one is larger and it does kind of ride the outside of my teeth pretty well, but the inside of my teeth, it's a little bit too big. This one rides the outside fine and the inside fine because it's smaller. And depending on who's using it, what size mouth they have, what size teeth they have, all that kind of stuff, you can determine which is best for you. But I prefer the cross action, but I've been using the floss action for, oh gosh, probably 2 years. So obviously it's no big deal. And as far as the clean goes, I feel like it's comparable, but I'm not a dentist. So